Hi and welcome back to Jillies Nails. I hope you're here for this St. Patrick's Day manicure because that's what we're doing. I am using a clear jelly stamping plate for the first time. Never tried them before, and I have to tell you I'm pretty impressed. I liked it a lot. I'm using a peel off base coat and coconut from Maniology on all of my fingers except for the index finger, and I'm going to use liquid gold there. Now, coconut took 2 coats to make it opaque, and liquid gold is a 1-coat polish, so I really like that about it, and it's really pretty gold. So just going to make sure to put an even coat on there. Metallics can be a little bit streaky. And I'm going to use Poison and Greenhouse from Maniology. I'm using that stone one again, and sorry, not sorry, love it. I'm going to probably not use it for a while though, because I know I've gone crazy. But I really like it. It's probably still my favorite design, so I'm going to use it. Now, I try to go with a little bit lighter and a little bit darker, and that dark just blended right into that lighter shade. So it pretty much disappeared, but I still liked the end result. I am not one of those people who pre-plans manicures and practices before I do them. I just get inspired, I sit down, and I play with nail polish. So sometimes things don't work out. It's latex booger time. Peel it off and clean it up. And make sure you top coat that sucker because you want all that beautiful gold to shine through. And we're gonna get to something fun right here, and shortly I'm gonna put some of the gold paparazzi glitter topper on it. That stuff's really great, by the way. You can get it at CVS. Some people don't like the ingredients. That's up to you. You know, research and decide if you like it or not, but I think they're pretty awesome. I'm gonna pick up the biggest 4-leaf clover image that they have, and I'm gonna stamp that kind of off center and down a little bit on my middle finger. And then these are layered stamping plates, so you can literally build up 2 to 3 layers on each one of these. I'm keeping it pretty simple. This is like an interior layer that you would stamp inside of what you just put down, and it's this really pretty gold filigree. There you have it. Going over to the next finger, and I don't know, I missed picking this part up, but it says Luck O the Irish. So I stamped that all the way across, and I'm just kind of gently rocking it across so that I can stamp the whole thing on there. Now I grabbed my French tip plate from Maniology. I don't know how many people know, but I kind of stay on top of nail trends. And for spring this year, a very thin French tip is very much on trend this year. Like everybody's doing little tiny thin line French manicures. So I wanted to do that in green on this finger. And I had to do it at a funny angle because I couldn't see to line it up. And then I'm going to use this one of the smallest clover images that are on the plate. And I'm honestly really impressed with how well these picked up. I mean, that's a pretty tiny image. And it just picked right on up. The words picked up super, just perfectly clear. Really excellent quality on the plates. And I am using my clear jelly stamper to stamp it all, which I used to hate, and now I really like this one. And I'm going to stamp inside of it. There's a layer part that's right next to it, so I can stamp a highlight color in it. Now I'm putting that paparazzi glitter on. And as I get to the very end, I don't show this in the video, I did put some green acrylic stones on the look of the Irish finger. Right now I'm just going through and top coating everything. I did smear it, and I had to go in and touch some of it up with the Maniology coconut, but you can't tell. Really like this. I thought it came out super cute. I hope you liked it too. I'm gonna drop this playlist in the upper right hand corner for some more advanced type stamping techniques. There's 2 or 3 videos there, and if you're interested, just check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below, and thank you so much for watching. Have a happy St. Patty's Day. Bye.